Hello, hello. Hello. Good
Teacher.
evening, Moon. Good evening, and welcome
Nia,
again.
here.
Well, welcome again to our class today, Moon. So, how are you today, Moon? Are you happy today?
Yes.
Yes, wow. Did you already eat your dinner?
Mm,
Yes or no? Did you already eat?
yeah.
Eat. Yes, wow. Okay. So now, are you ready to learn our lesson for today? Are you ready to
Yeah.
continue?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So now, yes. So now for our review for this lesson, let's go with this animal. What is the name of this animal? What's the name? It's the
Alligator.
croco, alligator,
Alligator.
alligator or crocodile.
Alligator.
Are you sure? Are you sure? It is a
I have some.
crocodile.
It will have that.
It's a crocodile, not an alligator. So this one is a crocodile. Okay? Yes. So when we say alligator, so alligator has darker skin. However, crocodile has lighter skin. So like this animal, the crocodile. So its skin is lighter. Okay? Okay. So now what animal is this? Moon. What animal? It is the what
It's
animal?
a
Crocodile.
crocodile.
Okay, very good. It is the crocodile. So next one, what do we call this place? It's the
It's
what
a
place?
mm, mm,
What? It's the
dinosaur.
it's the plains. Okay, so we call this one as plains. Okay, one more time. Let's say the plains.
The miss.
Okay, very good. So when we say the plains, plains is where plain animals lives. So when we say plain animals, most of the plain animals are big. That is why they live in the plains because plains is a big,
It's
big
a
area. Oh,
big air.
yeah. Yes, it is a big open area where big animals can live. Okay, like the elephants, like the giraffe, like the lion. So these are big animals that we can see in the plains. Okay, how about this one? So let's have this activity. But first, can you read the words here? What word is this? It is a
It
lion.
is lion,
Lion. Next,
elephant, crocodile,
elephant.
hawk,
Crocodile. Fox. Next,
zebra,
zebra.
ostrich, giraffe, mm,
Plane. Okay, one more time. Let's say planes. Pa, pa, planes. Okay,
fish,
let's read this. Okay, very good. So, pa, pa, very good. So let's read this word again. Let's say os, ostrich.
ostrich,
Okay, perfect. Next is
ostrich,
giraffe.
ostrich, an ostrich.
Ostrich.
What is
An ostrich.
an
Very good. Next is
ostrich?
giraffe.
Ostrich.
Giraffe. Next one is giraffe. Let's see. G. Very good. Now, let's answer all of these pictures. Okay. What do we call this place, Moon? What place is this? It's the plains. Okay, perfect. How about this one? What animal is this? It has a
Lion.
long neck. Ah, is it a lion?
Lion.
Is it a lion? Are you sure it's a lion?
Lion. Is it a
Giraffe.
giraffe?
It is a giraffe. Very good. So this is a giraffe. So giraffe is or has a long neck. Okay, so next. How about this animal? It is a big bird. What is the name of this animal? What's the name? What is the name of this animal? It is.
It is.
What is the name?
Land.
The big bird. Os. Os. Very good. Ostrich. One more time. What animal is this? What animal? It's an os.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Very good. How about our next animal? What animal is this? Is it a dog? Is it a dog? Yes or no? Is
Yes.
it a dog? Huh? Is it a dog? Are you sure this is a dog? Very good. It's a fox, not a dog. It's a fox. One more time. Let's say it's a fox. Very good. It's a fox. Next. Okay, how
Wait.
about how about this one? It has a long trunk. What animal is this? Uh, what animal? What animal? What animal? It is the biggest animal in the plane. What is the name of this?
Elephant.
Very good. It is an elephant. Good job. Next. How about this one? What animal is this? It has a sharp teeth. Is it an alligator?
Crocodile.
Oh, very good.
Crocodile.
Very good. It's a crocodile. How about this one? What animal is that?
Lion.
It's a lion.
Lion.
Very good. Lion. It's a lion. How about the last animal? What do we call this animal? Is it a giraffe?
Zebra.
Zebra. Very good. Good job. So this is a zebra. So now let's move on to our next page and have our next activity. Again, Moon, what animal is this? What animal? Biggest animal. It
Elephant.
is a elephant. Very good.
Biggest.
Okay, so now let's read the sentence. The elephant
Big.
is elephant is elephant is big or small? Big
Big.
or small? Okay, let's
Big.
see. The the elephant is big. Let's read the sentence. The elephant is big. The elephant is big. Is the elephant small? Is the elephant small? Yes.
No.
No. The elephant is
Big.
big. Very good. So the elephant is big. How about this next animal? Ching. What animal is that? What It's a what animal? It's a what animal? Is it a cat? Is it a cat? Yes or no?
Uh,
Is it a cat?
lion.
Very
No,
good. No, it's a lion.
lion.
What is the lion doing? The lion is what is the
Running.
lion doing?
Running.
Running. Very good. The
Running.
lion. One more time. What is the lion doing? Moon.
It
Uh,
it
It is.
is
It is
running.
running. Very good. So the lion is running. So next. Run, run, run.
No,
Very good. So next. Next one. How about this animal?
zebra.
Zebra. Very good. What what is the zebra doing? The zebra is what is the zebra doing?
Eating grass.
Very
Eating
good.
grass.
The zebra is eating grass.
Ah,
Do you eat grass, Moon? Do you eat
no,
grass? No.
no,
No, I don't.
no,
No, I don't. No, I don't.
no.
Yeah.
I don't.
Okay, very good. So no, I don't eat grass. Next. What animal is this? It's a
Giant.
crocodile. Crocodile. What is the crocodile doing?
It, it, it,
Eating? Eating what?
it,
Eating meat. The crocodile is
it,
eating
it,
meat. Meat. Okay, let's say meat. Very good. So now, Moon, do you eat meat? Yes
it,
or no? Do you eat meat? Yes or
it,
no?
it,
Do you eat? Do you eat meat? Yes
it,
or no? No
no,
or no? No, I don't. No?
no, I don't.
Very good.
No,
No, I don't. How about vegetable? Do you eat
no,
veg?
no,
Do you
I
eat?
can. Yes, I can.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I
Yes, I do. Wow, very good.
can. No,
It's very
I can't. No, I can't.
no, I
Yes,
can't.
I can't.
Yes, I can. Okay, so very good. So next. Oh, what animal is this, Moon? What
It a
animal?
fox. Fox is sleeping.
Fox is sleeping. Very good. The fox is sleeping.
Sleeping.
Do you like to sleep?
Yes.
Yes, yes, I like. Yes, I like to sleep. Okay, so the fox is sleeping. So very good. So next, let's move on to the next page. Tinin, again, Moon. What animal is this?
Fox.
It's the
The fox.
it's the
The fox.
fox. The fox. Very good. It's the
The fox.
fox.
Fox not the sheep too.
What? The fox is? What is the fox doing? The
The
fox is
fox
standing.
is is
Fox is sing.
if sit.
Okay, so now
Bác
teacher
can
has a
tell.
question.
Bác
Very,
can tell.
very good. How about Moon? Do the fox looks like a dog? Does it looks like a dog?
Mm, no, I
No,
don't.
no, no, it don't.
Yeah, I
Look,
can. No,
yes, I can. No, I don't. Do the fox looks like a dog? Is this a dog?
mm,
Or does it looks like a dog? Yes or no?
no, no.
No. Very good. So no, I don't. I don't agree that it looks like a dog because it's
No,
a
I don't.
fox. No, I don't. Very good.
No,
How
I
about
don't.
good job. Next. How about this one? The big animal. What again? What animal is this? What animal? Hmm. It's an ele. What animal? Ele elephant.
The
It's
fun.
elephant. Okay. Now teacher has a
Elephant.
very good.
Elephant is big.
And good job. Now teacher has a question. Is the elephant big? Big or small? Elephant is big or
This
small?
big.
Very good. So now let's answer.
Big.
The elephant is big. The
Big.
elephant, the elephant is
Is big.
very good. So the elephant is big. Next. Okay. So now, which body part, Moon, which body part of an elephant do you like? Do you like the nose? The nose of an elephant? Do you like the long nose? Chin? Do you like the long nose of an elephant? Yes or no? Do you like it?
Mm. No.
No? No. How about the ears? So elephant has big ears. Do you like the ears of an elephant?
Mm.
Yes or no? No?
Mm.
Do you like the ears? The big ears of an elephant. Do you like it?
No. Mm.
No, no,
Yeah,
I
I
don't.
eat small.
Oh, your ears are small. Very good. So your ears are small. However, the elephant ears is big. Okay. So next, let's have this animal.
Yeah.
It is the biggest bird on the plains or in the plains.
Ostrich is a
What?
bird that cannot fly.
Very good. Ostrich is a bird that cannot fly. So good job. Is the ostrich big or
Đây không
small?
phải điện.
Moon. Is the
Đây không phải điện
ostrich
nữa đâu.
os
Đấy là điện giải.
is the ostrich big or small, Moon? Big or small? Hmm. Is the
Big or small?
ostrich big or
Big or
small?
small?
Ostrich big or small? The
Mm.
ostrich is
It
yes. Is it big or small? Big or small?
big.
The
Small.
ostrich is
Big.
big. Is the ostrich big? Yes, the ostrich is big.
Big.
Okay. Okay. So next, how about this one?
À,
What does a crocodile
crocodile.
eat? Yes, this is a crocodile. What does the crocodile eat? The crocodile eats the crocodile eats meat.
Yep. It's in
Meat.
meat.
Yes, very good. So that is the food of the crocodile. So now let's have here another activity. Moon. So let's compare rainforest and plain animals. So let's take a look at the first word. Small. So let's read small animals. Small, small animals. Let's read small animals. Okay. So now Moon, where can we see small animals? Is it in the rainforest or the plains? Where can we see small animals? We can see small animals, rainforest or plains. We can see small animals on the or in the rainforest. Okay? So for yes, for big animals, so for big animals, Moon, we can see big animals sa plain. Okay, so for big animals, we can see big animals in the plains, especially giraffe, elephants. So those are big animals. Okay, so next, how about this activity? So let's have here a listening activity. Okay, so let's listen to a story.
Part 2. Look at the picture.
Listen.
Listen and write a name or a number. There are 2 examples.
Hello. What's your name?
My name's Sam.
Sam?
Yes, you spell it S-A-M.
And how old are you?
I'm 7.
You're 7?
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1.
What are you doing, Sam?
I'm drawing a picture of a zoo. Mọi người tới cảnh đẹp nào?
Okay. Moon. Okay, let's listen again.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1.
Number 1.
What are you doing, Sam?
I'm drawing a picture of a zoo.
I see. What's the name of the zoo?
It's Pet Zoo.
Do you spell that P-E-T?
Yes, pet. That's right.
Moon. Okay, Moon. Okay, Moon. What is the name of the zoo? Moon. Moon. Where are you, Moon? Moon. Moon is hiding there. Moon, where are you? What is the name of the zoo?
She
Where
said
is Moon?
she.
Huh?
Oh,
Where is Moon going? Yes,
go
very
to
good. It's Pet
missing.
Zoo. Oh, okay. So she will go to the sea. Very good. Good job. It's Pet Zoo. So now, Moon, what is the name of the zoo? It's Pet,
Pet.
Pet Pet zoo. Very good.
Pet.
Pets. Pet. Okay, so now let's listen again. Number 2. Number 2.
2.
What are your favorite animals?
Monkeys. They're very silly.
And how many are there in this zoo?
19.
19. Wow, that's a lot.
I know.
Okay, let's listen one more time. Number 2.
2.
What are your favorite animals?
What are your
Monkeys.
favorite
They're
animals?
very silly.
And how many are there in this zoo?
19.
19.
19. Wow, that's a lot.
I know.
Okay, now Moon, how many monkeys are there in the zoo? It's how many? It's 19. Very good. Again, how many monkeys are there in the zoo? There are 19. Very good. There are 19. Good job. So now let's listen to number 3.
3.
And this is my favorite monkey.
He's really funny. Has he got a name?
Yes, it's Baby. B-A-B-Y.
Why?
It's very small. Baby is a good name for it.
Thanks.
Okay, so now Moon, what is the name of the monkey? What is the name of the monkey? It's B, ba, baby. The name of the monkey is Baby. Yes, Baby. Now again, Moon, what is the name of the monkey? It's Ba, Baby. Very good. The name of the monkey is Baby. So next, number 4.
Teacher Mrs.
Number 4. 4.
4.
This picture is for my teacher.
Is your teacher Mrs. Truck?
Yes.
Do you spell truck Truck?
Yes. My classmates and I like drawing pictures for her.
Okay, so now Moon,
Are-
what is the name of Sam's teacher? Her name is Mrs. Truck. Okay, very good. One more time. What is the name of Sam's teacher? It's Mrs. What is the name? Mrs. Mrs. Truck. Okay, very good. So one last question. Let's listen to, before we end our lesson, let's listen to the last number. Number 5.
5.
Are there a lot of children in your class?
No, there are 12.
Pardon?
There are 12.
That's good.
Yes, my class is great.
Okay, so for the last question, Moon. So how many children are there in Sam's class? How many? There are 12.
Yeah.
Very good. So how many? How many children are there in Sam's class? There are 12. Very good. So very good. So there are 12. So good job. So good job, Moon, in finishing this lesson number 4 about plains animals. So good job. So I can see that you remember the animals that we had learned last time. So this is the end of our lesson for today. So thank you very much for your time today, Moon. And I see you again soon. Goodbye. Bye bye, Moon.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you again soon. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good night.